Per my last video, I got some comments and I got a lot of views on it, so that has led me to want to do another what I eat in a day video. So I'm gonna take you guys through another day of what I eat in a day. Without further ado, let's get into it. So for breakfast, I usually either do oatmeal or granola bar. Which one should I do? I think today I'm just gonna do a granola bar again. Oh my god, my brownies. That's gonna be a snack for later. On second thought, I don't know if I want to do the granola bar this time because I did that last time, but forget it. Usually I'll do 2 granola bars with kombucha, but today I'm just gonna do the 2 granola bars and a bottle of water today because all of my kombuchas that I had are in my room and they're better when they're cold. And these are organic chocolate chip granola bars. I usually get these from Aldi. Like I said in my last video, I get all of my stuff from Aldi, like meat, vegetables, fruit, whatever. I get everything from Aldi. So if you're not shopping at Aldi, what are you doing? So I accidentally already opened this. Well, not accidentally, I was too hungry to eat. And then I'm gonna do my water bottle. I only really like to drink spring water. Purified water just has like a really weird taste to it. Purified water just has a really weird taste to it that I really don't like. So I'm not a big fan. While I eat, I just really like to open up my computer, check my emails, and see what I have to do for the day today. Take 2 supplements every morning. Excuse me. These are basically for my hair growth. I cut my hair into a bob recently, about shoulder length, but I had a sew-in last year and I had it in for 3 months. So if you know, you know, sew-ins really grow your hair, but it can be very damaging to your leave out. So as a result, my hair grew really long, but my leave out was very damaged and fried, which is why I cut it into a bob. I'm like, okay, you can cut because my hair was like maybe right here and my leave out was like right here. It was really bad. So I was like, okay, let's just cut it into a bob, try to make it as even as possible. And once that grows out, you can go from there. It only got worse, baby. It did not grow out. So I cut bangs as a result. And I did not know that bangs take this long to grow out. So I am using these handy dandy supplements as a way to basically supplement my hair growth. And so yeah, I take these. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those. And PSA, BTW, I cannot swallow pills. I'm 22, going on 23. I'll be 23 next month. I still can't swallow pills, so I'm gonna chew them, and they taste absolutely terrible. So I would not recommend chewing them, but I have to because I literally can't swallow them. So I have to go to class, so we're gonna go ahead and go to class, and I'll check in with you guys afterward. Waiting for class now. I will check in with you guys after. So I'm done with class, but right now I got a notification that my package that I ordered a few days ago is here. So right now I'm picking it up. So I'm back from class and I'm back from getting my package. If you guys want me to do a haul, I will. I ordered a few things from Revolve for summer, so spam in the comments down below if you would like a haul, but that would be in a separate video. Okay, let's get back into the meals. I absolutely love matcha, so that's what I'm gonna drink it now. I didn't record me making it just because it was very messy and I couldn't hold the camera in that at the same time, but I did make it very pretty ooh, greens. You have to have your greens every day. If you don't, your digestive system is not going to work as much. And matcha is really good for you. It has fiber, and you know, you can always dress it up. Like I put vanilla, and then I made my own sweet cream cold foam because I used to work at Starbucks, so I know how they make their stuff. And I kind of like the way that they do their matcha, so I kind of incorporated my own. Cheers, and let's drink the matcha. So good. Matcha is so good. It gets a bad rap. I hear people say that it tastes like grass. No, it does not. Well, it can if you don't sweeten it. But this tastes absolutely divine. Matcha. I want to be a matcha. All gone, just the foam left on top. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, just the foam, which I'm not gonna drink. I'm gonna start prepping lunch. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna start prepping lunch and dinner right about now. So I still have some remnants of the matcha on my lips, so don't pay any attention to that. But like I said, I am gonna go ahead and start prepping for lunch and dinner. So what did I do? Oh, it's right here. I am going to make my favorite, which is really usually all I eat, is salmon. I have this portion of salmon right here. I took it out this morning before I went to class, but it's still frozen. That should be more than enough water to just let this sit in it and defrost. While that's defrosting, I really want to try and see what sides I want to cook. I love spinach. Like I said in my previous video, if you haven't seen it, please go watch it. But I love spinach. I can literally eat spinach and salmon every day, but I probably don't think I have any more because like I said, I eat it a lot. So I do want to have a green. So let's see what's in the freezer to cook. Okay, we have peas, green beans, asparagus, and broccoli. Oh, we do have more spinach. Okay, guys, I really don't. Oh, I love spinach. I just can't get enough. Okay, so we're gonna do spinach. I do want to do a third side today, so I'm thinking maybe potatoes. I'm thinking maybe some oven roasted mini potatoes. So yeah, we're gonna do spinach, salmon, and oven roasted mini potatoes. I'm back after a well-needed nap and a quick outfit change to get a little bit more comfortable. So it's time to cook dinner. I did not get a chance to eat lunch, so I think I'm just gonna eat both of the pieces of salmon that I'm gonna cook tonight because I am very hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I said, I didn't get a chance to eat any lunch because I just woke up from a nap. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink some of this strawberry banana smoothie that I got because I literally don't feel like waiting until And dinner's ready, so I'm gonna drink some of this to hold me over. This is what I'm drinking right now. Meal is done. I am ready to eat now.
Cannon fee is a notorious store fire. Honestly?
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you want another what I eat in a day, just be sure to let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.